Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the iiyama's two gaming LCDs. So friend, iiyama has introduced two new game LCDs that allows high speed drawing at a rate of 165Hz and 0.5 millisecond response time. So friend, the iiyama's brand new LCDs has a refresh rate of 165Hz and response time of 0.5 millisecond, making it prototypical for gaming. And friend, the LCD panel in both cases is a non-glare IPS system. They are both fitted with a Y-shaped stand with elevating feature, and friend, a blue light reducer function which minimize blue light, as well as flicker-free LED backlight which suppresses screen flicker and also included in the package. And friend, the G Master GB2570HSU is a 24.5-inch full HD display with a curved screen. And friend, the external dimensions are 557.5 mm wide, 256 mm deep and 391.5 mm high. And friend, the weight is about 4.5 kg only. And friend, the viewing angle is 89 degrees on the each side and diagonal is 622 mm and interface is HDMIx1 display. And friend, the G Master GB2770QSU is a 27-inch WQHD model with the 720p resolution. And friend, each side has a viewing angle of 89 degree. The diagonal is 685 mm and interfaces are HDMIx1 and DisplayPortx1. And friend, the external measurements are width of 614 mm, depth of 256 mm and height of 409.5 to 539.9 mm and weight is about 5.4 kg. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is sell for roughly 500 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.